For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children. Thank you.
Oh hey, from the Magic Kingdom. It's one heck of a time getting here, but we're here.
Oh my gosh, it took us almost 2 hours from leaving our apartment to walking into Magic Kingdom, but we made it because we wanted to be here for the first day since before COVID that Festival of Fantasy is happening.
Dan's? Is that for Dan's?
Yeah.
I love Festival of Fantasy. I'm so excited it's back.
Right here.
These smell so good.
Alice smells so good.
Oh yeah, it does. Oh, some sort of delicious meat being cooked in there. Can you make that face again at me?
I just was reading the menu and they've got pod stickers at Sunshine to Petras. And I don't remember that ever being a thing.
We were already like shook that there was tangerine Dole Whip that all these children were just inhaling.
That looked so yummy. And then dumplings.
We were just talking about, do we want Casey's, do we want Sleepy Hollow, do we want egg rolls? I might have to get pod stickers.
Sounds yummy.
Let's get it all.
Okay.
This music makes me want to cry. We actually haven't seen this cavalcade yet. It's new. Okay, we got our spot.
Yeah. I already
come out. They come out right there. We wanted to try to get as close as we could to see them when they come out. I think I said this, but this is our all-time favorite parade, and we've really missed it. And it's been 2 years,
Almost exactly 2 years,
which is crazy. It's been longer since we've seen it because we weren't here. We probably
the
saw
last
it
time that we saw it was February of 2020.
So I'm stoked. I'm glad I put sunscreen on, but I'll probably still burn. What do we think?
Yeah.
You want sunglasses?
Yeah. Absolutely not.
No. We each felt one raindrop. And yet,
blue skies.
Blue skies.
Smiling at me. Nothing like blue skies.
Proudly present an enchanting celebration in the streets. Our Disney Festival of Fantasy Parade.
Little black rain cloud. I'm gonna need you to move through real quick, or just hold it. Just hold it. I'm holding it right now.
Keep doing this. If it stays like this, it's nice and cool.
Yeah, I just don't want it to pour.
welcome the wondrous and wonderful Disney Festival of Fantasy Parade!
Are we walking from Frontierland to Main Street to see it again? Yeah.
Yes.
We are. We made it to the beginning. We're in the hub grass and look at all these cast members.
You gonna do it?
Come on, Mally, you can do it. Go, girl, go. Stop! I was already getting teary-eyed. I love you.
Do it again. Fake out.
Now it's just roaring. Literally, the parade just ended, and now it's raining.
But it feels nice.
No, it's perfect because we were kind of scared it was going to get rained out because we knew for sure it was
They
going
are
to rain
worried
today.
about the second one today.
Yeah.
The second one might get rained out. So I'm really glad that we got our butts up.
And got
came out to
here.
see it.
Yeah. So there were some changes just because of safety, but like overall,
So good.
we both still cried, and it still had all of the integrity that we love of it.
Nothing is better than the Festival of Fantasy music, like period.
It's not. I'm not crying
Hands
just
down.
talking about it.
I know, me too.
It's fine. It's just the rain. It's the rain and the sweat. It's not tears. But it was beautiful. I want to see it a million more times.
Last dancers. Merida was missing, so I wonder if like something just happened to her float.
Yeah.
So maybe we'll see that float appear later. And then what was the other thing? Well, Zippity Doodah was removed, so that is good.
They took Zippity Doodah out of the music towards the end, and it was just like the beat.
I feel like there was one more thing that was the circus dancers in front of Pinocchio, because I think some of the characters were there. No, those characters were always there.
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah.
And then like the biggest thing was just like instead of having two people next to each other on the float, one might be walking down.
So none of the princes were there. That was the big thing. There was no Beast, no Prince Charming, and no Anna.
Yeah.
Just Elsa.
Yeah. So I wonder if like they'll choose.
Naveen.
I wonder if like sometimes
I feel like
it'll
the
be.
princesses are always going to be.
Will they switch Anna and Elsa?
Maybe.
They're both queens.
True.
How do you enjoy lunch at the Magic Kingdom? In the rain. At Sleepy Hollow. I just heard someone's phone playing Festival of Fantasy and I was like, where is it? Where is it?
Where'd my phone go?
I have it.
Oh yeah.
So we got
I was like, I want to take a picture.
What is this? Spicy.
Sweet and spicy chicken waffle sandwich.
So good. This is a slaw. Oh, did you get extra slaw in case I wanted it?
Yeah.
Wow. And then the chips are delicious. And they don't give you obnoxiously large Cokes here, so we each got one.
Yes.
Chow down, Maggie. Disney Coke. Quick rainy pan of Magic Kingdom before I put this camera away so it does not get ruined. Look at this soaked lady.
You want to take a picture?
Yeah. Okay, things have taken a torrential downpour. Something, I don't know.
Hold on, I wonder where Rory is.
Two booms of thunder and lightning. We literally both screamed so loud. I had to put this away and go follow my wife. It's freaking boring. We screamed so loud.
That was so close.
Yeah, it did it twice. Look at this. We're under the people mover.
It's still going.
Huh?
It's still going.
The people mover's still going? Focus. I can barely hear the music.
I love this.
It's awesome.
My glasses are useless right now though, which is why they're on my head. Oh, I'm getting wet.
Well, we got on the people mover. We met up with Rory. And there's blue skies over there now. But we're soaked. Yeah.
I was gonna say, it's gonna not be raining when we get off now.
Right. We made it. Everywhere's flooded.
So keep your eyes peeled. You never know who you might see.
It's fine. Whoa, look at that puddle. My shoes are totally waterlogged. It's all good.
My whole dress is waterlogged. I'm so cold.
This backpack is so wet. Look at all these people. Hello, spring break. I know.
It's so pretty out.
I know. You never know that a tsunami just came through here. What's that one place over in Fantasyland that always floods? Isn't it by the teacups?
Yeah.
I wonder what that looks like. Tron, are you ever gonna open?
Lots of walkways.
Oh yeah, whoa, that's new. How do you end a day at Magic Kingdom? One of these bad boys. Also acceptable, but the better choice.
Have a great day.
Yeah! Best snack at Magic Kingdom. Bite me on that.
So happy.
That guy's got a Rescue Ranger shirt on. He got a backpack too. It's so good. Like even Mickey's sweating today. I love you. I love you. Sorry, I just hate you. It's okay. We've got new Turning Red merch. Look at these slippers. This cute hat. Shirt. This really squishy cloud pillow. This is like a pillow blanket set. Very cute. And then this shirt right here. Pandemonium! The whole Pooh gang's over there and they're coming up onto the train station. sound like a duck. How are your feet?
Fine.
Dry?
Yeah.
Nope.
We're drying off.
My pants are dry. Nothing else is dry.
Also warming up, but also cooling down. It got really, really warm. Like it's like when it rains that early in the day, when it's a warm day, it like makes the humidity worse when the sun comes back out. So it was like getting toasty when we were leaving.
If it rains before 3, look out.
Yeah, I agree.
For a hot afternoon.
It is supposed to rain again though, so we'll see. Hopefully it'll cool it down again. But we're heading home for the day. Our goal was to see Festival of Fantasy, and we did that. We got soaked in the rain, got to see Rory, so that was awesome, and
had a Mickey bar.
Had a Mickey Premium bar. So it was a great day. Also got Sleepy Hollow for lunch.
Yeah. I've never eaten in the rain like that before, so that was fun.
Yeah. So yeah, thanks for following along on today's adventure.
Yeah, we'll see you